Okay, we have on the driver's side window, we've got blue to blue. We've got black and the small blue one to black. We've got brown to brown and green to pink. This one is the illumination wire, and I've got it wired into the positive for the ashtray lights. So I don't have ashtray lights anymore, but that's irrelevant. On the passenger side, it should be pretty much the same. Blue to the blue with white stripe, green to pink, brown to tan, and the black and small blue one to black. Now, the secret with the small one here is this small blue wire is the control wire from the master switch in the driver's door. The driver's door grounds this when it enables the other switches. So I've got it just connected to a permanent ground here, so it thinks it's always enabled. If you undo that wire, this is the ground for the relay in it. So anyway, that's pretty much it. And here's where we had to trim the just these little corners here to make them fit. Other than that, it's a pretty direct swap. Trimming these, you saw the picture where I had it taped off. You can see these were original power window ones, but the edges are covered up by the bezels. I've got them pretty much just press fit in. I never worried about doing more. I was going to epoxy it in, but never had the need to. They've never moved on me. So, there it is.